so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey! Look at what I just rode up in. Yeah, it's a police car. And today, we are going to learn about police cars. Look at what it is! It's a police car! Will you come check out the parts of the police car with me? Yeah, come on! Ooh, look at this light bar up here. There's the red lights and the blue lights over there. And speaking of lights, whoa! Look at the spotlight. Whoa! 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 It's so bright! Ooh! And the front of the police car has this push bar. This is used to help push vehicles off to the side of the road that are broken down. And then down here, this is a speaker.
Listen!
You there, clear the road.
Yeah! That was awesome! Ooh! And one of my favorite parts, the engine. This is where the car gets all of its power from. Woo! And the oil. Will you check it with me? Allergy season. Okay. Ooh, look. Yeah, the oil looks good to me. So let's put the dipstick back and let's shut the hood and let's head to the back. Ooh, and look down here. The wheels and the tires. Oh, and look right here. 2 words. The first word is Olympia. O-L-Y-M-P-I-A. And the second word is police. P-O-L-I-C-E. Olympia Police. And last but not least, the trunk. There's some cool stuff back here. Whoa! Road flares. Ooh, a speed gun. And some cones. Even some caution tape. I'll show you this stuff later. But for now, it's time to dance. Hey! Will you look inside the police vehicle with me? Yeah, come on. Whoa. Wow. Now we're inside the vehicle. Look at this. Look at the switch. Do you see it? I'm gonna push it all the way to the right. And those are the lights. Look. Whoa! Those are so bright! Okay, I'll turn them off now. Okay, I turn those off. And look at this. See? I just turned that on. That's the spotlight. Do you see it? Whoa. Okay. Let's turn that off. And what else is in here? Whoa! The steering wheel! Whoa! And, ooh. The intercom. Hello, hello! I see you, it's Blippi! That's funny. And, oh, speaking of noise and sound, look at this. This right here, this button. Listen. Yeah, that's the siren. Ooh, and the computer. Yeah. Woohoo! That is so cool. It's the Blippi police car song. Okay. And I have some more fun stuff to show you over here. Come on. Shut the door. Okay, come here. Look in here. This is the patrol bag. There's so many cool gadgets and goodies in here. Whoa, like binoculars. Whoa, I can see so far. Whoa, hey. Okay, put those down there. Ooh, stuffed rhino. Wow. Ooh, a camera. Ooh, flashlight. Hello? Hello? So you can see in the dark. Whoa. First aid kit. Ooh. And handcuffs. So cool. I like handcuffs. Okay, let's try it on. Put it on. Oh, now that you have handcuffs on, you can't get them off. But luckily, whoa, I have a set of handcuff keys. Put that right there. Do a little twisty, and then I got them off. It's like magic. Okay, let's put these back. Ooh, and last but not least, every police officer has to have a pair of sunglasses. Okay. Whoa. Now I'm a police officer. Okay, check out this. This is where you put the suspects. Whoa! The door doesn't even have a handle on it. And the seats are plastic and really uncomfortable. Whoa. Whoa. I don't like being back here. And no handles are like child safety locks, but for adults.
Hey, this is a speed measuring device. It uses a laser to bounce off a car and come back, and it'll tell me how fast someone's going. We're out here on a street corner looking for speeders. There's one now. Whoa, he's going way too fast. Let's go get him.
Well, hello there, officer.
Sir, I need to talk to you about your speeding.
Ooh, I'm sorry. What can I say? Heavy foot.
Well, I'll give you a warning for today, but we're just
Okay.
out here trying to keep everybody safe.
All right, thank you.
Speaking of that,
Ooh.
we're looking for this person. Have you happened to seen him?
Oh, nope. That gentleman looks like he's wearing glasses. I sure don't.
Oh, you're right. Well, let me give you this. Call us if you see him.
Okay.
Drive safe.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Whoa, that was a close one. let's look at what's inside the back of the police car a little bit better. Ooh, look, we have a police officer's hat, and yeah, a safety vest. Oh, and it's bright yellow. Look at it. Wow. Okay. Nice bright yellow safety vest. How do I look? Okay. Oh, and I got my hat on. And oh, look. 4 orange road cones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Ooh, and look, a road flare. Wow. Put that in my pocket. And road spikes. Okay, set those down. Let's close the trunk. Okay, first things first. Ooh, road spikes. Take a close look at these. Wow, look at that. Whoa, those are sharp. Okay, let's put this right there. Put this over here. Okay, ready? Watch this. Okay, we're gonna set up this traffic course for the police car. And the police car is gonna make sure it doesn't drive on these because these are really sharp. Okay, let's take the 4 road cones and put one right here. Come on. And let's put the second one right there. 1, 2. And let's put the third one right here. 1, 2, 3. And we got one more. Come on. Okay, how about right here? Ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. I almost forgot my favorite part, the road flare. Whoa. Okay, this is not a toy. Not for kids, so here we go. Whoa. Okay, let's put it down right here. And let's start this course. It barely missed the spikes. Good job. That was so much fun learning about police vehicles. Now it's time for the police car song.
Police cars, police cars, police cars. They drive really fast through the town. And oh my goodness, their sirens are so loud. Can you see their red and blue lights? Letting everybody know to let them by. Police cars, police cars, police cars. Yeah, they come in all shapes and sizes. to help them sniff out crime. Sometimes you need the help of a canine. Police cars, police cars, police cars.
If you're ever in trouble,
Or if somebody's hurt,
or if there's an emergency,
you dial 911.
and the police will come.
Driving in there, yeah. Police cars, police cars, police cars, police cars, police cars.
That was really fun singing, dancing to the police car song with you. Hey, I have something really important to tell you. You are very special. You are an amazing child. I am so excited to see what great things you do on our planet by making it a better place and helping people out. Last but not least, thanks for being my friend. Thank you. Well, I gotta go now. But if you want to hang out with me some more, you know how to find me. Yeah, just search for my name. You know my name, right? Yeah, it's Blippi. B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi, that's my name. Good job. See you soon. Bye.
So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!